The Annapolis Mall just sold to a California-based retail real estate company for a combined $272 million to include the vacant Sears Auto Repair parcel. And the company is hoping to get the occupancy rate up to 90% using new attraction strategies. It's Friday, May 8th, 2026. Happy Mother's Day weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Meanwhile, the Annapolis Town Center has attracted several new tenants following its recent purchase by Federal Realty for $187 million. Across Annapolis, there is a renewed interest connecting retail development and new housing construction through mixed-use projects that combine residential units with shops, restaurants, offices, and community services in one walkable environment. While this connection was typical prior to the 20th century concept of isolating planned development, today's developments are designed to cultivate vibrant neighborhoods where residents can live, work, dine, and shop without relying heavily on cars, while also helping local businesses benefit from a built-in customer base. Aside from downtown historic properties along West and Main Streets that fit this concept, there are other newer mixed use like those at Annapolis Town Center, Beacon Square, Park Place, and Village Greens. Annapolis continues to have a shortage of housing with only 239 properties currently for sale at a median list price of $699,900. We may see more residential conversions of prior retail-only areas into combined use spaces and more vertical living spaces considered. Out of the 239 properties currently for sale, detached homes are 53.6% of the market, condo apartments account for 28.9% of the market, and townhouses come in at 17.2% of the market. 33 units will be coming soon with a median listing price of $719,900. New contracts rose to 40 under contract in 6 days, and list price at the time of contract was $666,950. 45 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio and in 5 days at a median sold price of $594,000. 54 rental properties are for lease at $2,975 per month, and these have been listed for 26 days. Are you curious about housing values in your neighborhood? Well, reach out to me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 8th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.